So how can you make a profile picture fit into the circle on Instagram? Let's get started. And if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So depends on what exactly you're trying to achieve, because the photo, if you want to make sure that it fits into the circle, well, most of the images are going to fit. You can see that when you go to the edit profile and tap on your profile picture, you can choose something from the gallery, and we get to see that there is like this circle which appears is the viewfinder, sort of, right, or the frame where we need to fit it, right? So you can basically pick any of the photos and basically it just drag it around, zoom it in to make it fit. However, if not all of the things can fit into the circle, you can basically just zoom it out, right? So for that, you're gonna need to use some sort of photo editor, right? So it might be, I don't know, like a Photoshop or something else where you can just layer photos on the top of each other. A good example would be a Hypic photo editor where you can basically choose, for example, a black background like that, and you just start editing a new project. And essentially, you're going to bring in some photos in there, and you can just make sure that the photo or the whole thing is slightly zoomed out, because that way you will have the ability to just fit the whole thing inside it. So that's like the general approach on how you can do this. There are more ways, of course, but the whole point is that you need to like sort of zoom it out a little bit so it can actually fit into the circle, and the finished project will be like exported on to your device, and you can then try to upload it to Instagram. So I just quickly wanted to explain how it kind of sort of works. I really hope that I was able to help you out with this. Most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna catch you in the upcoming videos.